specific GAINSWave patient story that stands out to you?
One of my first patients, he was in a marriage for a long time. His wife was ill for many years by the end of the marriage, and she ended up passing, unfortunately. But after that happened, and after a certain period of time, he was back on the dating scene again, and he realized that, oh my God, and all of a sudden now I have erectile dysfunction. He didn't know it for many years. And so he came to see us, and he did treatments at our practice, primarily GAINSWave, but we also ended up doing PRP with him as well. And he had a fantastic result, and he was very happy with his response. And it was really just impactful because it was a surprise for him. And then, we're able to get him through it.